QMCO stock analysis next week and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Quantum stock or Quantum Corporation sitting at $69.59. It's 4.9% up for the day. The way that I'm observing this is quite bullish, man. Like I myself am quite bullish. You can see here, like this was my previous bias on QMCO, and this is like the level 4 that I had the proof of. You can check out that link, but I'll show you this link right now because I have the proof of that as well. Look at this. This video was made 4 days ago, 23rd of December. See how this look like? Actually, I think that, yeah. Here's when I draw it. Here's the proof of that as well. Now, definitely still a pretty bullish market for me. Although I would not just like randomly buy. Would love to see bigger retracements. I'll keep an eye on this and keep you updated. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.